Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rivet guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RZX 16 inches riveting tools with nut setting system hand-blind riveter. RZX 16 inches riveting tools with nut setting system is known as a space-saver and labor-saving hand-blind riveter because of its premium features. It comes with 11 different interchangeable mandrel pieces and nut setting up systems, which is a great choice to rivet many different kinds of nuts or screws, especially for Jeep alterations. Moreover, its 11 interchangeable head size sets also have a strong and sturdy storage case labeled with included metric and say size to keep all the riveting tools and guns together. The product is designed in a heavy-duty delicate shape hand for working in hard-to-reach areas. Made up of carbon steel body and ergonomic handles with double compound hinges make this model durable and efficient for use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Astro 1423 13 inches heavy-duty hand riveter gun. Another best and patented structured heavy-duty hand riveter from Astro Pneumatic tool is Astro 1423 13 inches heavy-duty hand rivet gun. Its unique internal geared mechanism, one-piece collet case, and core collection bottle for easy disposal make it a versatile and powerful hand riveter for those who want great power but little shock or recoil. The double compound hinges feature 13 inches long handle is much easier to use and comfortable by ensuring maximum leverage to work even in hard-to-reach areas. The more exciting news is that though it is 40% shorter than other options in the market. With its interchangeable 5 nose pieces such as 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, 3/16 inch, 1/5 inch, and 1/4 inch, 6.4 millimeters, diameters rivets, you can use it with any kind of rivet or nosepiece and almost any type of material: steel, aluminum, and copper. At number 3, we have the Makita XVR01T Brushless Cordless Rivet Toolkit. Designed to do various professional and domestic tasks, this Makita XVR01T Brushless Cordless Rivet Toolkit rivet guns you'll ever work with. Easy to grip, remarkably powerful motor, superb operation, and extreme versatility make this Makita XVR01T one kind. 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries and the BL brushless motor can install or pull aluminum, steel, and stainless steel rivets up to 3/16, 4.8 millimeters. It can deliver 10 kN of pulling force in terms of pull, while the 25 mm stroke sets most pins in one stroke. The ergonomic design handle also increased comfortability by holding the rivet in place, so you can turn it whatever angle you need to set it properly. Other features such as a built-in LED light on the front lights up the area to light up a dark corner and a transparent mandrel catch container for convenient containerization viewing. At number 2, we have the Astro Pneumatic Tool PR14 Air Riveter Gun. Want to finish and tackle your big task job quickly or need to place hundreds of rivets in a single day? Then consider the Astro Pneumatic Tool PR14 Air Riveter Gun. Its 2,423 pounds pulling pressure and special quick-release air valve makes it a potent tool for efficiently doing high-speed work without giving much effort to get the job done. By deriving the power from an air compressor, it can easily screw steel rivets into the metal sheets with extraordinary precision and reduce the risk of overloading. Thanks to the stainless steel build for offering a great capacity and strength for severe operations by merely pulling the trigger. Its quality full long nosepiece provides broad reach for riveting at different angles. For handling aluminum-made rivets, it has 5 different sizes rivet from 3/32 to 1/4 inch, which can handle a diverse range of jobs such as heavy-duty and industrial professionals like automotive, aerospace, construction, furniture, etc. And finally at number 1, we have the Enegitech 18 volts lithium-ion automatic cordless rivet gun. Want to get both performance and power at work? Then this Enegitech 18V lithium-ion automatic cordless rivet gun will assure you in your career. The 18VBL brushless motor delivers monster torque up to 40 nm/354 in .lbs, which is 4 times faster than the hand riveter and makes it run cooler without any spark. So you don't have to replace the carbon brushes, and along with it, it also provides safety, convenience, and 50% more efficiency for longer life. Along with a 4.0 Li-ion battery, it can pull up to 800 rivets. Its intelligent one-button operation, variable speed trigger can be used on aluminum, copper, stainless steel nails. For handling tough rivets, the Enegitech has an extensive variety of following nosepieces: 3/32 inch, 2.4 mm, 3/16 inch, 4.8 mm, 5/32 inch, 4 mm, 1/8 inch, 3.2 mm, which is easily suitable for rivets of different lengths up to 27 mm working stroke. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.